Hi all! Today we're chatting about the new JetBot combo. Welcome back to Smart Fridays. I'll hand it over to our product expert to talk all about it.
Thanks, Anna. With AI object recognition and stain detection, combined with vacuum and mopping capabilities, the JetBot combo really is the ultimate cleaning companion and all-in-one solution to keep your floors clean and tidy. And controlling it is so easy. All you need is the SmartThings app and you can control and monitor the cleaning of your home. This will also allow you to create a 3D map to see which rooms have been cleaned and also create no-go zones for areas that you want it to avoid. Now once it's finished vacuuming, it'll return to where those stains are and clean them using the inbuilt mopping pads, all while intelligently avoiding obstacles. Now with all these features, you might be thinking it's really hard to clean and maintain, but that's where you'd be wrong, thanks to the all-in-one clean station. It'll return to the clean station and automatically clean and sterilize the mopping pads using hot water and steam, all while refilling the water reservoir and emptying the dustbin, ready for your next clean, for a hassle-free maintenance experience. What was your favorite feature?